Make $2,999 plus each day by searching from Google. You could make $2,999 or more each day by just searching on Google. It's true, many businesses out there are raking in the dough by taking advantage of Google's ad program. This video will teach you how to set up an ad campaign and start making money immediately. Let's begin with the video. First, you need to create a Google AdWords account. This is where you will manage your ad campaigns and track your results. Once you have set up your account, you can start creating your ads. There are two types of ads that you can create: text ads and image ads. Text ads are the most common type of ad, and they usually consist of a headline, some body copy, and a call to action. Image ads are less common but can be more effective because they are more eye-catching. Once you have created your ad, you need to choose where it appears on Google. You can choose to have it appear on the search results page or on the websites that are related to your ad's topic. After you have chosen where you want your ad to appear, you need to set a budget for your campaign. This is the amount of money that you are willing to spend on your ads each day. Once you set a budget, you can start your ad campaign and make money. Another method for this is to search Google News in the search bar and then browse it. Then you'll need to get to know about different categories available in Google News. For example, as you can see here, there's a news for entertainment, technology, sports, science, and many more. Let's choose the categories people are most likely to know. I want you to pick one that has more apples to you. The next things you have to do is to choose any article for you. It can be any article as long as it is in your interest. Once you can find the paragraph in the article, you just have to copy the article. Once you've done this, you need to head to a website that allows you to paraphrase or rephrase things. We can use a website for this. We are using Spinbot. Spinbot rewrites the phrases and makes them plagiarism-free. So for it, go to the first one. Go to the text broker website and then click the I write content button at the top. To give you an idea of how much money you can make, Text Broker will pay you anywhere from 0.8 cents per word to the lowest rating to 6 cents per word for the highest rating. Why use a text broker site for writing? There are many reasons to use Text Broker for your writing needs. First, it's a great way to get paid for your writing. You can choose how much you want to earn per article and then get paid when someone orders your content. Second, the site is very user-friendly and easy to navigate. Third, you can request specific topics that you would like to write about, or select from a list of available topics. Fourth, you can set your own schedule and work as little or as much as you want. Finally, Text Broker offers a variety of benefits for its writers, such as payments through PayPal, direct deposits into your bank account, and opportunities to win prizes and bonuses. If you're looking for a great way to get paid for your writing, Text Broker is the perfect site for you. Why does Spinbot only pay US citizens? I was surprised when I saw that Spinbot doesn't pay for articles from India or other countries written by members. I thought that maybe they were doing it to save on costs, but after some research I found out that this isn't the case. Apparently, Spinbot is owned by a company called Content Solutions, which is based in the United Kingdom. So why would they discriminate against writers from other countries? The only explanations I can think of is that they don't value the work of writers from these countries as much as they do writers from developed nations. This is extremely disappointing because it shows a lack of respect for these writers' talents and hard work. What's even more frustrating is that many good writers from these countries could benefit from the exposure and income that Spinbot could provide. I hope that Content Solutions will reconsider their policy on this matter and start paying all of their writers fairly, regardless of where they come from. Another site for content writing is iWrite. iWrite is to produce quality content that people will want to read. This means creating articles, blog posts, or even books that offer value and are interesting to our audience. If you can provide readers with helpful information or entertaining stories, they'll be more likely to visit your site again and recommend it to others. There are a few ways to monetize your writing on iWrite, such as placing ads on your pages or selling products through an online store. You can also earn affiliate commissions by recommending certain products or services to your readers. Whatever route you decide to take, just be sure that your content remains high quality and valuable to your audience. Then, with a little effort, you can start earning money from your writing. So there you have it. You can make a full-time income by simply searching the internet using Google. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. There's no need to invest in any expensive tools or software. Just use what you already have and start earning money today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to share it with your friends so that they can start making money too. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.